Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the drive belt or V-belt on a 2002 Mercedes ML500. It's a diagram look like before we start remove the belt. See, this one is a alternator, it's a water pump, it's a crank pulley, it's a tensioner pulley, this one is an idler pulley, and this is a power steering pump pulley, and the last one is a AC compressor. Alright, it's how the belt run from here, go to the tensioner and go that way. Alright, okay, it's all this tool that we needed. We need the long handle ratchet and number 17mm socket, and the belt part number is here is 011997 dash 97-92 is a part number for the belt. Alright, so let's get it started. Alright, okay, let me find a good place to put the camera in place. It's easy. I don't know you can see clearly or not because it's tiny place. Okay, you see here, you're gonna see the spot in here is for the belt tensioner. You need to look, this is number 17mm. You just pull it, see, just pull to the left side so the belt starting loosen. Let me show you the belt look like before I open. You see, dry belt here like crack it, broke it. Okay, let me remove it. Out. Very simple job. You guys can do at home. Lucy, remove it. Come out. You see it? The belt broken in two pieces. Broken in two pieces, and when you install it, like I said, you just follow the diagram that I showed you earlier. It's a very simple job. Alright, so let me put the diagram back in place and start install it. A little bit hard to see, it's too dark in here, so we put the belt to the power steering pump on the top and run over to the idler pulley up here. You can do anywhere, yeah, like as long as you follow my diagram that I showed you earlier, and it should be good to go. Run from the alternator, go to the water pump belt and go to the tensioner. Okay, let me see everything sit in place. Okay, tensioner. Let me put the tensioner first. Very simple. You can put let me see, it's go in, not yet. Make sure it's everything sit in place. Okay, just leave it right now and pull the tensioner again by using a 17mm socket like I said, and pull it to the left. Put the last part, put that belt to alternator because we get more room on the alternator side. Let me see everything sit in place or not. Not yet. Okay, so see, look like something not right though. Oh shit. Okay, the water pump here. Let's not sit on it. You just put the alternator, the last one. What happened? I need to use a flashlight to see it. Give me a second. Let's sit on everything right or not? Yeah, perfect. Sit on it. Oh, perfect. Okay. Let me pull again. Yeah, here you go. Hit in. But make sure, you know, after, yeah, the belt is already installed. But make sure, okay, before you start the engine, please double check again and again. Make sure all the belt sit on the right place. We don't want to start the engine without checking. So water pump is right. It's a perfect. All right, guys. So it's all set to go. It's how to remove and install the dry belt on 02 Mercedes L500. And thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. And thank you. Yeah, goodbye.